To add a line or a curve table, you go to the drafting tab and select the lines command or create line label table. And again, you'll give it a name. So maybe this is called, let's go lot 115. And we'll set it on a layer. Pick the style, so you can pick either a line or a curve or create a new one. So this is going to be the table style. You're going to pick a location. So I'm going to drop this here for the location. Then it says to select a segment. So you'll see that I can pick any segment in my lot. It doesn't matter, I can pick any segment actually at all. Down below you'll see that you can select multi-lines. You can add and remove from the table, and you can add the table tag and set the starting number as well as the curve tag. And then here's the table tag style as well, so you'll have that tag style. So basically, if I select a segment, so let's say we pick this one here, and I'll start with this segment here. Let's go up to select segment first, set our focus there, and then I'll pick this line here, and it's this lot that I'm interested in. You can see it's grabbing that segment. It gives me the length and the azimuth. Again, the table will control the precision. Then I can pick this one and the next one, and you can see it just continues to add that to the table. So I continue adding this one, and now I've got that line table, and the label is, the tag is on the line itself. So the same process would be for the curve table as well.